Alright, got the spaghetti squash cut in two. Tell you, I've never cooked one of these before, so I'm going to scoop out the stuff in the middle, I guess. And put some stuff inside, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright, I cleaned it all out. I just used a spoon and spooned it out like a pumpkin. I don't know. Pretty good job, I think. I don't know exactly what I'm doing here. I'll put them in here. They say to use olive oil, but I'm going to use coconut oil. I'm going to coat the inside with coconut oil and put it all inside. And then I'm going to put in some spaghetti sauce a little bit. And then I'm going to stick it into the air fryer, cook her for about 45 minutes and see what we have. Alright. Proceed with some coconut oil. Wrap it around in there like this. Maybe some more. The rice are almost out of it. Put that all around inside. Some up on the top lid. Alright, let's get some of that good old spaghetti sauce. There we go. There's the spaghetti sauce I'm going to use. Let me stick that water back in there. Spaghetti sauce, here it is. Put it underneath my arm to pop the cap there. Got the spaghetti sauce. Put some of that in there. Well, better use a different spoon. Don't like to contaminate stuff with other stuff. Okay. Let's get some of this in there. Then what I think will be enough to do each one, and I'll spread it around. That way you don't stick it back in there and contaminate the rest of the spaghetti sauce and stuff. A little bit more in this one. Okay, that should be plenty. I don't want to do too much. And spread that around a little bit. Put some up on the edge. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I heard there's not much flavor in them, but we'll see what the spaghetti sauce does. I think it'll make it taste fairly good. Okay, just about done with that. And now I'm going to stick it in here. I'm going to stick it in there like that. Set my time up here. Automatic sets on 370, so I'm just going to leave that. And I think it's 15 minutes it goes for. I'll change that to 20. Let's cook it for 20 to start with. We'll be back a little bit later and check on it. Alright, she's been cooking for just about 20 minutes, so we're going to open this up, take a look at it, and see how close we're getting on it. They say 45 minutes, but air fryer, I'm just not so sure how long in the air fryer, so just kind of guessing at it today. Oh, looking pretty good. I don't think it's quite near done yet, so yeah, she's looking pretty good though. We'll put her back in there for 25 more minutes, so that'll make 45 minutes. So looks like that's going to be pretty close to be what it needs to be. Of course, I'll check it before that. I'm going to raise it back up to 25 minutes. 25 minutes. And we're going to let it cook for 25 more minutes. Of course, I'll check it probably about another 15. And we'll see what it looks like. Alright. All right, gonna check. It's been 35 minutes. Go see what it looks like. See if it's getting any closer here. It's kind of hard to get a glove on when you're filming with one hand. Ah, it's looking good. I think I'll go let it go the whole 45 and pull it out and see what it tastes like after that. So let's turn it back on. All right, she's all done cooking. Let's pull that spaghetti borer out of there. Oh, look at it. Looks pretty good. All right, there it is. Add a little more pizza sauce on top, and it's all done. Came out really good. That's fried. Look at that. Spaghetti. Mmm. That's gonna taste good. Really good. It tastes really good. Not bad for the first time making one of these. Really good. Mmm. Delicious. Gotta try it. This is Cobby. Mmm. Gotta go. Cobby out until next time. God bless. Talk to you guys later.